Hello again guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Lutuin Pinoy Abroad with Elmer and Desiree. Today, I'll be going to show you an easy step of cooking ARROZ Valenciana. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now, here are our ingredients. Glutinous rice, chicken broth, cooking oil, salt and pepper, eggs, coconut milk, fish sauce, turmeric, tomato paste, garlic, onion, raisin, garden peas, fresh tomato, bell pepper, chicken liver, and chicken meat. Now, in a clean wok, we're going to start cooking our glutinous rice. Let's pour in the chicken broth, followed by glutinous rice. We're going to cook the glutinous rice like a normal boiled rice. To avoid sticking, we're adding cooking oil, and for the taste, some salt. And cover it until cooked. First, season our meat with salt, followed by the chicken liver. Then in another wok, let's pour in some cooking oil and start sauteing the garlic. Followed by onion. Then the chicken meat. We're going to saute the chicken meat until tender. This kind of dish is a complete meal that's ready to serve and was originated in Latin America and considered as part of our Philippine cuisine. Now, we're going to add the chicken liver. We're going to cook the chicken liver just enough to avoid a grainy consistency. Just keep mixing to avoid sticking and to cook it well on both sides. Also, we're going to add the coconut milk. This kind of meal or dish is our Philippine version of paella. The only difference, our Philippine version had a coconut milk for extra creamy and delicious taste. Also, green peas or garden peas, bell pepper, raisin, fresh tomato, and our seasoning, the black pepper, fish sauce, tomato paste, and for color and vibrance, turmeric, and also for the taste. Just keep mixing. And cover it and bring it to boil until cooked. For more videos of DIY and cooking, you may visit our YouTube channel, Facebook page, TikTok at Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Also, feel free to comment, like, share, and suggest to improve our YouTube channel. At this point in time, we're going to add the chorizo or chorizo de Bilbao. Just keep mixing, and this time we're going to add our newly cooked glutinous rice. We're going to mix it until fully incorporated with each other. This kind of dish is a complete meal course to enjoy and serve. This is our own version of paella and we call it ARROZ VALENCIANA. This is very popular in Visayas region in the Philippines during family gatherings and many festivities. Now we're going to cover it and simmer for at least 10 minutes to induce the extra taste and flavor of our ingredients in this special dish, ARROZ VALENCIANA. Now it's time to transfer it in a serving plate and top it with boiled egg for extra flavor and taste and also the looks. And enjoy this delicious taste of one full course meal of our own ARROZ VALENCIANA. Now, our dish is ready to enjoy and serve to our family and loved ones and enjoy this delicious meal. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy cooking. Happy eating. Bye-bye.